If you have to read one book to understand the philosophy behind history, you must read the book written by one of its greatest thinkers, Ibn Khaldun. He was born in Maghreb, present Tunisia, in the 14th century. Ibn Khaldun was a revolutionary thinker, historian, and philosopher, but he's most famous for his groundbreaking work, the Muqaddimah. This book was a deep analysis of history, society, culture, and economics. Long before modern sociology or economics were even born, Ibn Khaldun was already exploring them. He introduced ideas like the rise and fall of civilizations, which inspired Edward Gibbon to write The Rise and Fall of the Roman Empire. He advocated analyzing and studying history as a science. He talked about the importance of good governance and economics on the continuation of civilizations. Ibn Khaldun's Muqaddimah laid the foundation for many modern disciplines. He talked about the famous 7 mistakes that the historians commit while writing history. Ibn Khaldun introduced scientific codes in history writing to prevent history from becoming fake news of the past. He started a new discipline called al-Itima al-Insan, the science of human society. This branch of study became what we call sociology now. Auguste Comte later copied and expanded it. That is the reason many regard Ibn Khaldun as the father of sociology. His study of history through scientific ways was the beginning of historical materialism. Karl Marx followed it later. Ibn Khaldun was a genius who made critical thinking part of the social sciences. Follow Cogito History for more such insights on history.